Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing a fire truck! So, let's get started. We will start with the fire truck's body structure. Make it strong and sturdy. Keep watching. This shape may look simple now, but it'll soon turn into a real fire truck. With the truck's body, also draw the bumpers. Draw 3 tires. For that, we will draw a small circle inside a big circle. Likewise, draw the rest of the tires. Now, draw the truck's windows. We will draw 2 windows. Fire truck windows are usually nice and big, so firefighters can see clearly. Next, draw the headlight and the backlight of the truck. Fire trucks contain a lot of water, so now we will draw storage compartments. Also draw a fire hose. This is the superhero tool of the truck. Let's make the water tank nice and big so the firefighters never run out of water. Now it's time to draw the siren. This sits right on top and helps the truck zoom through traffic. Now let's draw the ladder. This helps firefighters reach high places. This part looks like steps. Fire truck ladders can fold and stretch. Now we will highlight our drawing. Time to color our drawing. We will start by coloring ladder gray. Also color the water storage shutters gray. Now we will also color the hose gray. It's time to color the bumpers black. Now we will color the tires black and gray. We will color the outer tire black and the inner gray. Let's color the headlights and backlights yellow. These lights help our firefighters see clearly even when it's dark. Color the windows blue. Now, we will color the strip on the truck fluorescent yellow. These are reflectors. This will make our truck visible in the night. At last, we will color the rest of the truck red. Red is such a powerful color. It makes the truck look super brave. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.